The internet connects us all, making our lives more convenient and productive than ever before. We share information, shop, bank, and communicate online, often without a second thought. But this digital world also exposes us to a range of threats, phishing being one of the most widespread and dangerous. Every day, cybercriminals are looking for new ways to exploit our trust and steal our information. Phishing is a form of digital deception where attackers pretend to be trusted organizations or people. Their goal is to trick you into revealing sensitive information, such as passwords, credit card numbers, or even your social security number. Instead of hacking into computer systems, phishers rely on manipulating human emotions, like fear, urgency, or curiosity. For example, you might receive a fake bank email warning you that your account will be closed unless you secure it now. These messages are designed to make you act quickly, without thinking. These scams can arrive in many forms, and they're becoming more convincing every day. Email is the most common method, with messages that look almost identical to those from real companies. But phishing isn't limited to email. Attackers also use social media platforms, sending direct messages that appear to come from friends or trusted brands. Text messages, or smishing, are another popular tactic, often containing urgent requests or suspicious links. And now even QR codes can be weaponized. Scanning a code from a poster or email could lead you to a fake website designed to steal your information. Phishing techniques are constantly evolving, with attackers finding new ways to bypass security filters and trick even the most cautious users. The consequences can be devastating. Stolen credentials can give criminals access to your email, bank accounts, and even your workplace systems. Bank accounts can be drained in minutes, and your personal data can be sold or used for further attacks. The impact doesn't stop there. A single phishing attack can lock you out of your digital life, causing a domino effect that affects your finances, your privacy, and your peace of mind. Emotional distress and financial loss often follow, making recovery difficult and stressful. Victims may spend weeks or months trying to regain control and repair the damage. That's why understanding how phishing works is the crucial first step to protecting yourself and those around you. Knowledge is power in the fight against cybercrime. Stay alert. Your caution, skepticism, and awareness are your best defense against phishing attacks. The more you know, the safer you'll be online. To effectively fight phishing, security professionals must first understand how these attacks are constructed and executed. Phishing is one of the most common and dangerous cyber threats, often targeting unsuspecting users through deceptive emails and fake websites. By learning how attackers build their traps, defenders can better anticipate and prevent breaches. And that's where Zphisher comes in as a valuable tool for both learning and defense. Zphisher is an automated toolkit designed to create highly convincing fake login pages for a wide range of popular websites. This makes it a powerful resource for ethical hackers, educators, and IT teams who want to demonstrate the real-world risks of phishing in a controlled environment. When used ethically, Zphisher allows organizations to test their own defenses by simulating realistic phishing attacks on employees. These simulations help reveal human vulnerabilities that technical solutions alone can't always address, highlighting the importance of ongoing awareness. The insights gained from these exercises guide targeted security training, helping staff recognize and respond to phishing attempts more effectively. Zphisher's user-friendly menu-driven interface and its library of pre-built templates make it easy for even beginners to demonstrate just how simple and convincing phishing attacks can be. It's a wake-up call for everyone. If defenders can use this tool to test and educate, so can malicious attackers to exploit weaknesses. By understanding how Zphisher works, you arm yourself with the knowledge and skills needed to spot, avoid, and stop phishing attacks in the real world, protecting both yourself and your organization. Always remember, tools like Zphisher are meant for authorized, educational, and ethical purposes only. Use them responsibly to build a safer digital world. Before using Zphisher, set up your environment. Kali Linux is the industry standard for ethical hacking. Install Kali Linux 2025 on a dedicated machine or in a virtual machine for safety. Always update your system first using the terminal. Sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade Huawei. An updated system ensures you have the latest security patches and features. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Zphisher needs it to download code and use tunneling services. Treat your Kali setup as a secure sandbox for testing, not everyday browsing. With your environment ready, you're set to explore Zphisher's capabilities. Preparation is key to safe and effective cybersecurity work. With Kali Linux ready, it's time to install Zphisher from its official GitHub repository. Use the terminal command git clone https github.com htr-tech-zphisher git to download the tool. Navigate into the new Zphisher directory with cd Zphisher. Before running Zphisher, make its script executable. chmodplex zphisher.sh. Start the tool with patch Zphisher. It will automatically check for and install any required dependencies. This streamlined process makes setup quick, even for beginners. Always download from official sources to avoid tampered or malicious versions. Now you're ready to launch Zphisher and see how phishing simulations work. When you first launch Zphisher, you're greeted by a straightforward text-based menu. This menu lists dozens of popular websites that you can simulate for phishing tests, ranging from social media platforms to email providers and even online shopping sites. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, so even those with minimal technical experience can navigate it with ease. You don't need to write any code or configure complex settings to get started. To select your target, simply enter the number that corresponds to the website you want to mimic. This step is as easy as choosing an option from a list, making the process accessible to beginners and professionals alike. After picking your target, the tool prompts you to choose a tunneling service, such as ngrok or Cloudflare. These services are essential because they allow your fake login page to be accessible from anywhere on the internet, not just your local machine. This step is crucial for real-world phishing simulations. Zphisher takes care of all the technical details behind the scenes. It automatically sets up the necessary connections and generates a public URL that you can share with your test subjects or use in a demonstration. This means you don't have to worry about networking or server configuration. Once your phishing page is live, the tool patiently waits for someone to visit the link and enter their credentials. As soon as someone interacts with the page, Zphisher captures the data and displays it in real time on your terminal, showing just how quickly sensitive information can be compromised. This hands-on demonstration highlights the alarming simplicity and speed with which phishing attacks can be launched using automated tools like Zphisher. It's a powerful learning experience for anyone interested in cybersecurity. Remember, if it's this easy for you to set up a phishing attack, it's just as easy for malicious actors. This realization should serve as a wake-up call about the importance of strong security practices and constant vigilance. Use this knowledge responsibly to strengthen your defenses, educate others, and help build a safer digital world for everyone. The real power of phishing lies in social engineering, crafting messages that trick people into clicking malicious links. Attackers send urgent emails or messages, like unusual login detected, verify now, embedding the Zphisher-generated link. The fake login page looks nearly identical to the real one, fooling users who don't check the URL. Once credentials are entered, Zphisher captures them instantly, and often redirects the victim to the real site to avoid suspicion. Most victims never realize they've been compromised. This process highlights why vigilance and skepticism are essential online. Even the most convincing page can be a trap. Always double-check before entering your credentials. Understanding Zphisher is vital, but using it without permission is illegal and unethical. Launching phishing attacks, even as a prank, can lead to criminal charges, fines, and jail time. Laws like the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act make unauthorized phishing a serious offense. Ethically, phishing violates privacy and trust, causing real harm to victims. The only legitimate use is in authorized security testing, on systems you own or with explicit written consent. Anything else is a crime. Use your knowledge to defend, not to exploit. The responsibility is yours. Act within the law and with integrity. True cybersecurity professionals protect, not prey. Defending against phishing starts with skepticism. Always inspect links before clicking. Hover over links to check their real destination. If it looks suspicious, don't click. Enable two-factor authentication on all accounts. It blocks attackers even if they steal your password. Be wary of urgent messages demanding immediate action. Attackers use panic to cloud your judgment. Instead of clicking links and messages, go directly to the official website. Pay attention to browser and email warnings about suspicious sites or messages. Modern security tools catch many threats, but your vigilance is the final line of defense. Stay alert. Stay safe. Learning about tools like Zphisher is about responsibility, not exploitation. In ethical hands, this knowledge strengthens defenses and educates others. The goal is to become a better defender, not a more effective attacker. Use what you've learned to spot phishing attempts and help others do the same. Foster a culture of digital ethics and respect for privacy. Technology will keep evolving, and so will threats. Choose to be part of the solution. True power lies in protecting, not breaking. Use your skills wisely, ethically, and always for good.